Namaste. Welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're all doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, like my videos, so please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content, for sending the positive messages. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is about what doors are opening up for you guys. That is going to be the reading for today. Remember, these are all general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So yeah, so I have three groups over here. So the first group is like door to personal healing and happiness. For second group we have door to spirit, and for group number 3 we have door to romance. Okay, so yeah, so door to personal healing and happiness, door to spirit, and door to romance. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect with your higher self, and then select a door that calls to you. Okay, so yeah, the timestamps will be in the description box, so click there, go there and click it and watch your video. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number 1, and if you want more time, please pause the video, take your time, and then just select it. Okay, I'll see you soon. So group number 1, if you chose this door to personal healing and happiness card, then this is your reading with me. Let's see what doors are opening up for you guys. For group number 1, what doors are opening up for them? Spirit guides, angels, please come and guide me with this reading. Thank you. Okay, yeah, okay. Oh, so we have like 2 cards coming out. Okay, so I feel it's like you're claiming your power. Okay, so the door of power is opening up for you guys. I feel like that will give you a lot of happiness, like door to personal healing and happiness. So you're coming out of this phase where people are arguing, you're not coming out of drama, like, and understanding your own worth. You're not going to be in this kind of yeah, that phase of life is closing where people were arguing with you. Like sometimes people are like that only. They argue for no reason. They just try to prove themselves right, and they don't even care for other people, like perspective, right? So that kind of energy I feel. So you are coming out of that. Okay, you're coming out of these kind of people, like maybe it can be your friend group, partner, whatever, you are claiming your power. So the power is opening up. You are yeah, that is what, if you are feeling very low right now, remember, you will be very strong in the coming future where you will feel happiness. That is what, door to personal healing and happiness. So you will be feeling happy in yourself. You're not going to give your power to them. Like, for example, if someone says something bad to us, if we take it, then only it will affect us. If we don't take their words, then it is not going to affect us, right? And sometimes if you are on social media and you post a picture, someone says some negative comments, and when you take that negative comments, it hurts you, right? Then maybe you will comment them back, and then they will comment you back, and it can, I've seen comment in social media pages, people argue in comments, and it's so I feel, and they don't even know what they're typing, and I feel like, why I'm even reading this? It's just, it's so bad. It's really bad. I don't know why, but I feel like that, and because of that, even though you try to prove yourself, they will not allow. They will have different perspective, their opinion. So it's better to get out of it, right? So I feel you're getting out of it. You're not trying to prove anything to anyone. That is where you will find your happiness. So I see that. I'm seeing that you're claiming your power. You're understanding that you're a lion, and you don't have to take other people's opinion, right? If you know from your heart that is correct for you, you're gonna do it anyway. That is what I feel. The power, the Leo energy, where you are shining your light. There might be jealous people around you. You're not taking them, right? Let them think whatever they want. You're claiming your power. That is what I feel like. That door is opening up for you. Your power. Now you're feeling like, yes, I am in charge of my life, and no one can, it's like happiness is a choice. You're making that, like, yes, If I want to be happy, I need to take care of myself, and I don't have to let them in. And you're closing doors to these kind of people and taking care of yourself. And because of that, you know, you are healing, you're happy. That is what I feel for group number 1. Let's see. What else? Oh wow, invite serendipity. Yes. Yes, when you claim your power, you know, this woman is like taking rest. She is giving it to the universe. She is not going to argue with anyone, you know. She is understanding that sometimes the more you argue, it doesn't, because they will not take it. Sometimes people don't understand your point of view, and when you feel like they are not understanding your point of view, you're just going to leave it to them. And with this serendipity card, I feel a lot of happiness is coming your way, because I feel for this pile you're going to choose wisely also. And because when we choose wisely, making decisions wisely, like friend groups, you're choosing wisely, whenever the opportunity come, you will choose wisely. You're going to be in your power, and that will lead to so much of happiness for you guys. So I feel, yes, lot of power, door to power is opening up. You're going to be feeling very powerful. A lot of abundance is coming your way. Okay, if you have been working on something, keep on working, guys, because you will get the abundance. I feel with the serendipity cards, look at the magic. The unicorn is about magic, so I feel like you're gonna believe in magic and you will see the magic. Okay, so it's all about you are changing your own perception about life, and you are like understanding that happiness is a choice. And if I want to be happy, I should make that choice to be happy. I don't want to take other people's energy. That is not good for me. You know, you're understanding that. That is what I feel like. And because of that, things will be shifting for you guys. Okay, so that is what I feel for group number 1. Let's see. But yeah, you will I feel from this pile, it's like door to self-care. You know, you're going to care for yourself. You're being assertive. Yeah, that is also assertiveness. I feel like if you want to do something, you're going to do it anyway. You're not going to take anyone's else opinion. For example, if you wear a dress and other people don't like it, it's their problem, it's not your problem. If you're comfortable in that dress, just wear it. Like that kind of energy I feel for you guys. And it's like a door to self, like power. Yes, that is the energy. You know, maybe lion, you might be seeing lions also, spirit animals, and that will bring a lot of peace into your life. Yeah, contemplation. Yes, it's like hermit card, right? You're working on your craft. You don't care about what other people have to think about. You know, you're okay. I feel you will be okay with constructive criticism, and I feel constructive criticism is good. You need to take when people try to advise us in a very good way. It's okay, but there are other people, you know, they try to like put us down because they want to, like, I feel maybe they want to show that they are bigger or they are better, whatever it is. You don't have to take them. Just enjoy your journey because you're doing good. You're claiming your power. Love yourself. Spend some quality time with yourself. Meditate. And with this painting, this person is painting. Okay, maybe if you're painters, I feel growth in that. And you know, maybe there will be people who will be like judging your work and saying that this is not good, you know, blah blah blah. If you feel like that this is your best work, then this is your best work. Okay, and don't try to be perfectionist also, I'm getting. Okay, if someone says that this is not good and you don't take, you don't show it to the world, don't do that. Show it. Okay, there will be people who will like your work. Okay, that is what I feel like. There are too much judgments around you about your work or how you dress or whatever. You need to let them go. Don't take it, like, don't take them seriously. You just enjoy your journey, right? And if you feel like you need to take some time off, go ahead and take some time off, contemplate on things, and you will get your answer with this hermit card. Okay, so let's see what else. Yeah, you have been fighting for yourself, you have been believing in yourself, and look at the King of Coins. Okay, so that is what, if you have been working on your project, if you have been working on your product, you have been believing in that. If you have been working on your craft, keep on believing it, keep on working on it. Believe in yourself, believe in magic, because that will give you the growth. Okay, because with this King of Coins, it's a slow moving energy, I know, but definitely this thing will give you a lot of doors to opportunities. Like you will be proud of yourself. That is what I feel like. Yeah, Maybe in the past people have discouraged you about your work. They have told you that you're not worthy enough, you're not good enough, but you're like believing in yourself, you're fighting for yourself, and you are going to be in your power. No one can, and now I feel like no one can touch you, because you're so strong, and because of that you are going to have a happy life, like, because you are choosing happiness, like, right? That is what I feel for this group. You're choosing happiness, you're believing in yourself, and because of that, lot of doors of opportunities, money wise, I see a lot of doors opening up for you guys, lot of opportunities, lot of money, a lot of abundance, lot of happiness is coming, and you're gonna get the things you always desire to. That's what I feel like. Look here, go with the flow, let things happen. Things happen, don't try to resist anything. Maybe for some of you, there are people around you who, competition. I'm getting this competition vibe. That is what I feel like. Maybe there are people around you who are doing good, and you're comparing yourself to others people. You don't have to compare yourself to anyone. You just need to enjoy your journey. That is what I feel for you guys. Okay, so let's see. Look, clock of wisdom. You already know the answer you seek. Trust what you know. Yeah, you have the answer. You're getting a lot of signs and symbols from the universe also. They are trying to show you that, and you know it. If you see a sign, you know it, right? So yeah, again we have King of Pentacles over here, right? Lot of growth. You're moving away from toxicity. That is what I'm getting. You're closing doors to toxic people, and you're opening a new door where you will be happy, where you will claim your power, where you will embrace your spirituality, where you are I feel when this door opens, you will only attract the people who care for you, who seeks, who wants the best for you. That kind of people you're coming in alignment with. That is what I feel like. And interestingly, these two cards, the bear, I see similarity here. I don't know why, but that is what I feel like. It's like you're growing, your wisdom is growing, your consciousness is expanding, and I feel for many of you, there might be a earth sign who will help you in this. They can be Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Okay, yeah, that is what I feel like. They might help you in this. So maybe they might give you some money, and because of that you might be able to invest in your projects or something like that is also I'm getting here. Okay, so someone is there. There are people around you who will help you. Okay, but you are definitely coming out of the top people who don't want your best interest, and you're claiming your power. That's what I feel for group number 1. Yeah, look at that, claiming your power, and look, we got Queen of Wands. Yes, you're going to be that independent person. I feel for this pile, you always wanted to be independent, right? You're going to be very independent. And we have the Sunflower. Sunflower is all about abundance, right? We have the Serendipity card also. You're going to make you're going to do things by yourself. You're not going to depend on anyone. I'm getting that. Emotionally also, you're not going to depend on anyone. Money wise also, you're claiming your power finally. That is what I feel like. So just don't take too much work on yourself. Go with the flow. Maybe sometimes it might be like when you have so much on your plate, you might feel very exhausted or very tired or very stressed. Don't take everything together, right? One step at a time. Go with the flow. Okay, enjoy life also. Don't forget to enjoy life. That is what I'm seeing here. Okay, we got one card. Oh, we got a younger man, and I told you about a King of Pentacles. Maybe this younger man might help you in some way. Like, yeah, this can be a person you will meet. Maybe love interest, like a King of Pentacles. Maybe this person is an earth sign. Maybe they're young, but they have made a lot of made of finances, or they're very good in their business or whatever. Maybe you collaborate with this young man. This will help you in your financially. This might help you. I feel like that also. Look, we got Lion again. Look, time to act. Take a risk, go for it. Don't stop. You are the lion. Okay, remember that. but there is some help. I feel like there is some help coming towards you guys for sure. A lot of opportunities, a lot of financial help. If you want to invest in something like a project or something, you will get that money. If you want to buy something, you might get some money, some help. I'm getting that vibe of help, yeah, for some of you. Look, yeah, you're climbing towards success, guys. Slow, one step at a time. You're moving forward in your life. You're not coming back. You're not coming back to those kind of people, who used to always say not so great things, right? You are claiming your power. That is what I feel like. The power is, you're going to be in your power, and you know what you need to do. But there is help also around you. A lot of people, I see good people around you, mature people around you. Even though they might be younger than you, they will be mature. Artist, oh, again an artistic vibe here. Yeah, with this contemplation card, if you're an artist, believe in yourself, guys. As I said, you are meant to climb that ladder, okay? You're meant to climb that ladder. You're meant to believe in yourself. Do that, okay? You're an artist. You can, maybe you're painters, whatever creative field you are in, because maybe you're an artist. Look at, maybe artists can be singers, painters, whatever creative field, right? So yeah, this is very important for you guys. And for some of you, if you feel very stressed, you can just paint. This will give you a lot of happiness. I feel like that. But whatever your work is, you are growing in your career, in your life. You're moving forward. You're not coming back, right? A lot of happiness. Let's see what else. Patience. Okay, yeah, we had this, right? Go with the flow. Yeah, we had the go with the flow. Let things happen. Patience. Again, you need to be patient, okay? Everything is going to happen. You're coming out of the darkness. You're coming out of the phase where people used to say, maybe your parents or maybe your friends used to compare yourself, or maybe you used to compare yourself to your friends, that they are growing in their life, they are making happy, they are getting married, they are successful in their career, and you're like, I am not doing anything, I'm this artist, or I'm doing this creative thing that is not moving forward. You might be having so many problems, like people are like not believing in you, and now it's like you're like, I don't care about these people, I need to believe in me, right? That kind of energy. You're opening doors to like empowerment. That is what I feel. You're like empowering yourself. You're like, yes, I can do it. You're gonna believe in yourself, but at the same time, don't be in a rush, okay, guys? That is an advice. I feel like that you will get the help. There are people around you who will help you financially also. There will be support also. Maybe you will get support from the people you never thought of, okay? If you are expecting support from certain people, they might not give you that support, but you will get support from a different community or something like that, I feel, okay? But definitely put yourself out there, put your work out there, believe in yourself. That is where you are. If you are not yet there, I see you going there, okay? And you are going to claim your power. That is the door, and this will give you a lot of personal healing and happiness. You're healing yourself, you're healing your past, you're moving forward, okay? So that is what I got for group number 1. Bye-bye, take care. So group number 2, if you chose this door to spirit, then this is your reading with me. So something is changing in your guys' life, with this 5 number. I'm getting that vibe of change, a lot of change, a lot of spiritual growth I'm getting here. Door to spirituality, like door to spirit, a lot of connection with the divine, a lot of peace is coming your way. If you're not feeling peaceful right now, if you're feeling very restricted, very suffocated, tied up, or if you're feeling very like, if you're feeling stuck in a situation or stuck in a relationship, you're moving out of it, because divine is showing you the way. All your answers are within. So connect with the divine. Door to, you need to have a meditation practice. I'm getting that. Maybe for some of you, it's about your money you're stressed about, finances, maybe you lost job, or maybe a relationship, whatever it is, you need to connect to the divine. That is what I'm getting here. Door to divine, door to spirituality is opening up. Meditate, guys, for group number 2. Things are, if you're going through a very, very bad phase in your life, things are changing up for you guys, okay? Let's see what else for group number 2. What doors are opening up for them? Wait a second, I'll just shuffle again. Wow, look, angel of love. Yeah, Wait a second, I'll just shuffle once more and just take one more. Okay, you got 2 more cards. Oh my god. Let's see, anyways. Oh, money wise also I'm seeing goodness, healing energy. Wow. Yeah, you're healing your past, guys. So that is what healing, door to healing. You're healing yourself. For some of you, you might be connecting with the divine more and more. You will be spiritually growing and understanding that you are a healer. For some of you, like for some of you, yeah, for some of you, you will be learning Reiki or something like that. I'm getting that vibe here. Maybe you will be learning something new, some career wise, you will be doing something different. I'm getting here, some maybe changing your career path. Like it's like a more spiritual, like you're opening up for more like more spirituality. I'm getting here. Okay. And when we open up to spiritual side of ourselves, we are overthinking, we reduce that, right? That is what I'm feeling. You're coming out of this negative patterns of your lives. Maybe if you were depressed, you're coming out of that. You have seen something in your life that was so worst, and you're getting out of it. You're releasing your past, you're embracing love. That is what I feel like. And a lot of peace is coming into your life. You in your mind, I feel your mind controlled you. You were like always overthinking about the scenarios that even never existed. You're getting out of that. You're finding balance. That is what I feel. You're healing yourself. You're healing your heart center. Okay. Lot of love is coming, and for some of you it can be you're healing your finances with this man holding a coin. For some of you, I feel a person might be of importance, or Taurus sign person might be important. If you are a Taurus, if you're working on your business, it will expand. I feel like that also is coming. It's a very specific message. For some of you, a Taurus sign person is very, I'm getting Taurus, like, yeah, specifically Taurus. Sign is very important here. And if you're male watching who is Taurus, if you're working on your business, it will be okay. You're healing your finances. Okay, if you have seen your worst in your business is coming up. Okay, just be connected to the divine. Your answers will come. Okay, step by step you will get your answers. So whenever you make a decision, ask your heart first and then make a decision. Take some time to make a decision. Don't make decisions very quickly, or don't listen to everyone. First listen to yourself, then do your research, and then go with it. Okay, that is also important. I'm getting research. So whenever you're taking one step in your business or something you're doing different, research. Okay, if you're learning something, if you want to learn something, research. If you want to enroll in an online class, research and then enroll. Check who is the good one, right? Don't just waste money, and don't follow blindly. Okay, do your research. That is what I'm getting here. And when you do that, a lot of learning is coming. Door to learning, door to knowledge I'm getting for you guys. If you want to learn something, yes, I see that is happening for you guys. Maybe investment, maybe you're investing in something like money investment. I'm getting business or something like that also is coming strongly with money, like business, yeah, entrepreneurship. I'm getting that vibe here. But definitely a lot of love. You're moving away from the place where you were always thinking negatively. Now you're going to be loving yourself more. Maybe you had problem loving yourself, but slowly you are trying to love yourself. You are these kind of people who love other people, who try to heal other people, who give advice to other people. At the same time, you don't care about yourself. But what is happening right now, I feel like with this connection with the spirit, you are caring for yourself. You're taking charge of yourself. You're taking and doing that, you're giving that love that you need to yourself. You need to take care of yourself. Maybe you are you're a person who buy dresses or gifts for other people, but you don't buy anything to yourself. So it's time to give to yourself something. That is what I'm getting. So you will be doing that. You will be healing yourself. Okay, so door to healing I'm getting here. A lot of healing energy, or maybe recognizing your own worth, finally standing up for yourself. Or maybe you need to visit a Reiki master or something to heal your chakras or something. I'm getting for this pile. If you are interested, if you want to do this, this is the confirmation that you need to do it. Okay, or if you want to learn Reiki or something, go for it. You will be good at it. I feel like with this Healer of the Ages card, I feel like that. Let's see what else for my group number 2. But yes, you have a divine connection. Remember that you are connected. You're going to be, if you already feel like you're connected, you will be making that connection more deeper. Okay, lot of peace, calmness, meditation. I feel this pile will do meditation on a daily basis. If you're not, you need to do it, because that will give you a lot of peace. What else for my group number 2? Oh wow, awakening. It's like an awakening, enlightenment. Okay, again, you know, finally you're going to be happy in yourself, finally taking care of yourself. And this is the Sun card. Sun card is about new growth, right? Renewal, happiness, fulfillment, awakening to something. You know, the sun is going to shine. After the dark comes the sun, right? That is what I feel. You're healing yourself and the sun is going to come, right? You're going to enjoy your life. A lot of happiness is coming. Door to happiness also, I feel, for you guys. A lot of happiness is coming for you guys with the Sun card, right? You have gone through a tower moment, I feel like that, where things were like so bad. Like I'm getting the 10 of Swords energy, where you have seen the worst. Now you're not gonna. You're gonna up on. See, you're going to move forward only. Like you lost a job, your business went down, you lost a relationship. Like finally you're healing yourself and moving, coming for. You know, yeah. You're going to have that happiness in your life. That is what I feel for you guys. Yeah, 3 of Coins. Yeah, look, this woman is so disappointed, and we have the Sun card. All your disappointments are gonna go. Maybe you were in a third party situation, or maybe you're in a relationship where people cheated or backstabbed on you, but you're getting out of it. Or maybe because of other people you lost a relationship and you were not over it. You were depressed because of it, but you're healing it. You're moving forward in your life. You're getting out of your past. Okay, what else for my group number 3? Group number 2. Group number 2. Oh my god, what is that? Maybe you invested so much of time, like you are so kind people. You have worked, you have given everything to this person, and this person didn't give you that back. And so it took a while for you to understand that it's their problem, it's not your problem, and finally you're accepting yourself. That is what I see. Sometimes people do like this and make us feel bad. They put their insecurity on us, and we feel that it's our problem when it's not our problem. Maybe you have been made to feel like that because of you the relationship didn't work out, because of you the work didn't work out. You were left so disappointed. I feel like that in this picture. The 3 of Coins looks like that. She's so disappointed. She's leaving this tower. She's no more here. She don't want to be here, right? Finally you're leaving that disappointment. And with the Sun card, yes, you are claiming your happiness. You're like, no, I don't want to be in this energy. It's not my problem. You're finally understanding, and you're finally embracing love. Okay, a lot of cards came out, guys. I'll just it's all on the floor. Wait. Yeah, why? Okay, intuition. Trust your intuition. Yeah. Okay. It's time to trust your intuition, guys, with this thing. Yeah. Look at the candle. Spiritual enlightenment I'm getting. You're awakening. Yeah, you're awakening to spirituality. Spiritual awakening. Look, lots of hummingbirds, lot of miracles. You're going to adapt. You're going to adapt. You're going to come out of the situation. If you haven't, you will be. You're the Spirit is giving you the light, showing you the light, like a torch, like a candle. You're being shown the way. So trust that way. Okay, things are shifting for you guys. Okay, yeah, you're coming out of this. I am clearly getting someone cheated on you or something like that. You're getting out of it. You're awakening to yourself. You're like, that is not my problem, it's their problem. Maybe they told you that it's you, because of you they cheated or something like that. They made you feel bad they tried to put it upon you, and you thought that it's you. No, now you're like, no, it's not me. You're claiming, you're finally getting your happiness. You're finally healing from it. You're finally healing from your past, and new doors of like spiritual enlightenment. I'm getting completely spirituality, you know, opening up to the more like you are understanding your own worth. That is what you're opening up to, spirituality. Hummingbirds might be very important to you guys. Okay, look, with this Horus eye, again the eye intuition, your eye intuition is very strong, remember. And yeah, your thoughts are magnetic and powerful, miraculous changes are occurring. And with this you know, hummingbird also, it's like miracle. I associate hummingbird with miracles. So yeah, you're gonna see some miracles happening in your life, but be positive guys about your future, because with this awakening, with the sun, you are opening up to higher power. I feel like that you're connecting with the you're connecting with higher power, you're getting your messages, your downloads. So yeah, that is what I feel. I'm getting enlightenment for you guys. You're claiming your happiness. Let's see what else. Again, the moon card, intuition. Your intuition is very strong here guys. For some of you, you are yeah, for some of you it's like your intuition, you're claiming your spiritual abilities, you're like finding your talents, your the hidden talents are coming out. I'm feeling like that. That is also awakening. Something is awakening in you that you never knew about yourself. So yeah, some spiritual gifts, some talents, and that will give you so much of progress in your life. Look, yeah, okay, look, we have Six of Wands. Look at the numbers. 6 is about associated with harmony, relationships, and we have 5 + 1 6, healing energy, right? And yeah, you are coming out of this phase. Look at this. This is now 8 of you're so caught up in your head and you don't know where things are going to go for you guys, but you will be victorious. Look, you know, for some of you, you are manifesting a new relationship, a new person is coming that will give you a lot of recognition, a lot of respect. It will not be like the previous relationships you had. This relationship will be like very successful, and if you're working on some of your projects, it will also be successful. For some of you, it's like you will be known, right, with the 6 of Wands. If you are on social media, I feel like through your story you will attract a lot of people. You know, yeah, maybe your storytellers. You will be saying your story, how you came, like, you know, how you maybe you will do something about spirituality. I don't know, but definitely there is little bit of fame I'm seeing for you guys. Maybe you will be popular in your community or something. But with this Lovers card, look, Archangel Raphael is with your heart center, is opening up your, you know, with this angel of love. I feel Archangel Raphael is with you. They're guiding you. Okay, so open your heart to love, I'm getting. Okay, maybe for some of you, you're very closed off because of this thing. So open your heart, open your heart to spirit. And when you open your heart to spirit, you have a divine connection. Embrace your gifts, embrace your talents, and have positive thoughts. Your intuition is very strong. Something is shifting in your life with this change. You know, goodness, happiness is coming. You will be proud of yourself. If you're feeling right now not so, like that, and you're like, no, this will not happen, it will happen, guys. You will be proud of yourself. So get out of your head. Embrace yourself, embrace your gifts, embrace your talents. For many of you, you're going to discover it soon, or if you have already, keep on working on it. Wow. Yeah, nutrition. Okay, for some of you, it can be like you will be like working with herbs or something, or maybe you want to cook something. Maybe you will get into baking or something. Just go for it if you want. Or maybe nutrition, if you want to do it, go for it. And for some of you, you need to take care of yourself, your body. Okay, nurture yourself, eat healthy foods, take care of yourself. That is also strong here with this nutrition. What else? If you want to make it, you know, maybe you want to do something with like a chef, or you want to learn something, go for it. Okay, yeah, boundaries. So here it's like your spirit guides are giving you message to keep that boundary. Okay, trust your intuition. Whenever you let someone in, don't trust everyone blindly. I feel that you will not be doing that, but yes, you need to have a boundary. Like you need to take care of yourself first and then give things to other people. So this is where you need to work on, I feel like that, because you give so much to other people and you never get it back, and you drain yourself because you're not giving that much to yourself. So first take care of yourself, take care of your health. If you're cooking, if you're a mother, you cook food and you give it to other people, and at the end you don't have anything to eat. Don't do that. Save something, save some food for yourself first and then give the rest. That is what I'm saying here. So save something for yourself and then do for others. If you don't do for yourself, you will struggle. So it's like, that is what your spirit guides message is for you guys. And when you do that, when if you have a passion, go for it. Don't care about what other will think. Sometimes for example, I'm getting, if you're a person like a housewife or a house husband, you have some passion, and because of other people, if you're not taking your passion ahead, you will not be happy. So it's time you do that. Do something for yourself, okay? And when you do that, that is when you will have the happiness. Okay, so if you were in the situation like where three people were involved, you need to understand that it's not your problem that they cheated on you, it's their problem. Okay, don't take it to yourself. Okay, and get out of fear, because you have so much of happiness coming here, awakening. You are I'm getting, you will be like enlightened, enlightenment. I'm feeling like you will be connected to, you will be like, your connection to the divine is very strong, guys. Okay, remember that. And for some of you, I feel you need to do Reiki also, if it's possible. I'm getting that here, because you need to, your chakras are a little bit imbalanced, I feel like. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have for you. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you chose door to romance, then this is your reading with me. So the door to romance is opening up for you guys. Romance, lot of love, self-love, lot of love from other people, maybe family love. There are so many types of love, right? Divine love, divine protection, connecting with the divine, expanding your consciousness, connecting with the ascended masters, archangels. There is also, I'm getting here, door to spirituality. I'm getting door, your intuition is expanding. That is also, I feel like, for you guys. So a lot of happiness is coming your way. Okay, a lot of healing energy I'm feeling for pile number 3. You might be seeing 33, or maybe you are master number 33. Okay, 3 number is very important, I feel like, but maybe you're seeing a lot of 3s. Let's see what else for my group number 3, and your group number 3 also, right? So let's see. Okay, strategy. Okay, look, the number 3 again. Angel wings. You might be seeing some angel wings, and that means that if you're seeing that, yes, your angels are guiding you, you are connecting with the divine. And with the strategy, are you using law of attraction? If you are using, believe in it, because it is working for you guys. So whatever you're manifesting, it will manifest. All you need to is believe in your manifestation. And for some of you, you will be planning about some things, like, yeah, that is what you will be planning about something. If you have been planning about something, that is manifesting for you guys, like using law of attraction. If you have been doing sigil or something like that, if you have been making a strategy, if you have been working on a strategy, if you have been thinking that, yes, I want this, you will be getting that. That is what I feel like, because we are talking about the doors that are opening. Yeah, so if you have been working on something, that door is opening up for you guys. If you have been working on your career, that door is opening up for you guys. If you have been working on love, or if you have been manifesting love, that is opening up for you guys. But keep on working. And for some of you, if you stress too much, schedule things that will help you, journal things that will help you a lot. Okay, and don't be worried about time. Time is just an illusion. That is what I'm getting. Maybe you're worried about time. Oh, by this age I have to get married, by this age I have to do this. Don't be worried about the time. Everything happens at the divine timing. Leave the timing to the divine. Okay, you just keep working. That is very important, because I feel for this pile, your manifestation skills are going to be on point. So trust in your skills. Your manifestation. If you have not doing manifestation, if you have been not doing law of attraction, This is a recommendation, this is an advice to start doing it, because it will work for you guys. Okay. Oh, write down your creative ideas. Okay, so yeah, so for many of you, you're getting a lot of creative ideas, and these ideas are given by the divine to you. So yeah, a lot of like, I feel your intuition, like door to intuition is opening. Your intuition is going to be so high, and you're getting so much of ideas, so much of inspiration from the divine. You know, sometimes you wake up and you get an idea, just write it down, because that idea will give you success. So writing is very important for you guys. Maybe you're writers, so write that. Writing is going to be very important. So yeah, keep on writing. That is what I feel. Write things, give gratitude to the divine. Write that, like have a gratitude journal, or have a dream journal, have a manifestation journal, have a full moon manifestation journal, something like that. Have journals, or whenever you feel stressed, have a journal to write down that things, that emotions, and burn that up. Or maybe just write that emotions that are stopping you. Just write it down. It will give you, it's very healing. That is what journal will give you. You know, journaling will give you a lot of healing energy. That is what I feel. Okay, for you guys. Let's see what else. And don't work on your sacral chakra. Okay. Okay, for some of you who have been manifesting to get pregnant, yes, that is also quite possible, and that will give you so much of love. Like, yeah, you will get a lot of love from everyone. That is what I feel like. Oh yeah, for some of you, it's like your creative thing you want to manifest, right? If you want to manifest your creative thing, go ahead, guys. Don't be afraid to do things by yourself. Just trust in your creativity, because because Archangel Ariel is also about creativity, like creating a new idea, inspiration, creating something from scratch. Don't be afraid to do it all alone. Go for it. Your ideas will be successful. Okay, hope for the best. Manifest your best desires. Be clear with your intentions. And you are getting these ideas. Work with these ideas. Music is important for some of you. If you want to do with music, writing, dress, I'm getting music, dress, whatever the creative thing you want. Just hope for the best and keep on working on it, because that will be successful. Keep on manifesting. Yeah, oh my God. This pile wants to do something, you know, maybe you want to start a business, or maybe you want to just go for it. What your heart is saying, go for it. Listen to your intuition. Don't be fearful to start by yourself. I'm getting this boss vibes here, like creating a legacy or something like that. Like you will start a business and that will grow. Maybe this is your manifestation. Maybe this is what you want to manifest. Just keep on working on it. Follow your passion, because that will lead to success. With this Archangel Ariel also, your passion, your creative ideas will lead to success. Maybe you will create something unique that will give you, you know, that will help other people. At the same time, you will get love from different people. Maybe you will build a community where people will be like loving your work. Okay, they will be appreciating yourself. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Just don't be afraid to take this idea. I'm getting that. Don't be afraid to take this idea. You're connected with your ascended masters, ancestors. They are giving you ideas. Take that idea. Follow your intuition. That will give you a lot of happiness. So door to like freedom, I'm getting. Door to independence. Like that is opening up for you guys. Let's see what else. Oh wow, we got this for pile number 1 also. Hermit, again, creative thing. Okay, we have desire. It's chariot energy, right? So I feel what are you desiring will come true. You can make it happen. You can make it happen by yourself. You are so connected by the divine that this is what I'm feeling, guys. Really, you can make it happen by yourself. You have that much willpower, and just go with it. Go with your ideas. Okay, so if you are manifesting a person, this person will come to you. Just manifest them. But I feel it's also important that you Sometimes don't be so specific in case of people. You know, when you manifest a person, don't be so specific. It just manifest what's best for you guys, okay? Don't be very specific. I don't know, I'm getting that. Don't be very specific with a person. Maybe just manifest like someone who will give you the happiness. Okay, so like if you're in a long distance relationship, you will be meeting this person soon and you will be feeling very loved. Okay, so that is one message I'm getting. Okay, if you have not seen them for quite a while, maybe because of this corona or something, you will be meeting them, like hugging, look. And this is what I feel for you guys. Like, you have been alone for such a you have been waiting for them to come back, and finally they will come back. Yeah, that is what I feel like. Okay, for some of you, yeah, door to romance is gonna open up. You'll be spending some quality time, or maybe you will get pregnant later. You know, you might start family with this person, something like that. If you have been waiting for, that is also coming. But with this desire, whatever you're desiring, just move forward with it. Don't be afraid to go alone, because you have all the resources. You have that light inside of you. You have that talent. Believe in yourself and go forward, because you are talented. You are gifted. Okay, remember that. That is what your spirit guides want me to let you know. Okay, yeah, look, you will do great. You are highly thought of. As I said, if you are starting a business, if you want to do something, people will be like, wow, this person is so awesome, their videos are so awesome, their products are so awesome, you know, their creative ideas are so awesome. If you are a mother, people will be like, wow, this woman is handling her family so well, and they will be like appreciating you. If you're a father, they will be appreciating you. You know, that kind of energy. They will be appreciating you. You will be highly thought of. Okay, remember that. You are beautiful. You are talented. Success, yes. You are meant to be successful. Lot of door to success is opening up for you guys. Don't be afraid to go alone, guys, because your spirit guides, your angels, your divine is with you. You can make it happen. What else for my group? Okay, yeah, voice of truth. Don't be afraid to speak your truth. Don't be afraid to speak your truth. For example, if you are a light worker and if you have a message to say to people, don't stop yourself from conveying the message to other people, because if you think that this message will not, that will not make everyone happy, don't be afraid to speak your truth. Say it, because you're meant to give that message to people. If you are a light worker, okay, and you are going to get this, you will attract people, goodness into your life. But don't be afraid to speak your truth in relationship, in anything, okay. And while manifesting, also manifest your truest heart desire, okay. That is also important for you guys. Be true to yourself, be authentic, guys, and that is when you will be the most authentic, that is when you will attract a lot of success, a lot of love. Be authentic to yourself. What else for my group number 3? Yeah, a lot of conflict energy right now. I feel like that. You need to get out of your head, guys. You need to trust your intuition. That is the advice I feel for you guys. You need to take a break, meditate, contemplate, spend some quality time with yourself. Don't be in your head space. This is all your overthinking. Get out of there. Get out of there. Yeah, you have that strength. Like, really, too much overthinking. Get out of that. Spirit is saying, angels is saying, there's so much to make things happen. You have so much strength, you have so much quality, you have so much talent. Don't be in this overthinking phase where you are conflicted in your own energy. This is all your overthinking, okay. Oh, we have oracle cards, time to decide. Okay, so if you read oracle cards, or if you're doing that, it's time to decide. Or maybe oracle cards will give you guidance. If you have oracle cards, use oracle cards for guidance. That will help you to decide things, for making decision. Or maybe tarot reading, if you see that, just use that. Or maybe if you want to make your career, through oracle cards, through tarot reading, it's time to decide. Just go with it. Don't be afraid to do something different from others, okay. Maybe you want to read tarot, you want to start a YouTube page, go for it. Don't stress. It's all inside of your head, because you will be successful. Or maybe you just use oracle cards, or maybe you will watch some videos and you will make a decision, because that video will you know, this video will, you will watch someone and you will be like, yes, this is what I want to do, and you will take that message seriously and you will work on it. You will, yeah, that is what I feel, and that will give you a lot of success. So whatever it is, if you have oracle cards, use that, or if you want to do readings, or if you want to go into that career path, go for it. Okay, be authentic to yourself. Group number 3. Oh wow, the unexpected blue moon. Okay, some unexpected opportunities definitely coming for you guys. You're not seeing the whole picture here right now. Spirit is not showing you the whole picture. Okay, so don't be afraid to go into an unknown territory. So if you want to do something, be authentic with it and go for it, because that will give you a lot of good things. But with this blue moon, some rare opportunities there for you guys, and you know that what is it. Just take action, because this unexpected thing, you know, you will get something. Yeah, something unexpected is gonna happen. Some unexpected doors are opening up that will give you a lot of success. That is what I feel like. Okay, expect the unexpected. That is what a rare opportunity is coming your way. Be open to it. Okay, maybe it's an idea that will come. Take note on that idea and work on it. Okay. Yeah, don't overthink about things. Maybe you get an idea and you will be like, oh, whether should I do it or not, do it or not, do it or not. No, if you feel it in your heart, go for it. Okay, so pile number 3, a lot of love is opening up for you. Your connection to the divine is going to be strong. You're getting a lot of respect. You can make your success. Okay, remember that. Pile number 3. Very good. Bye bye. Take care, guys.